welcome back to my channel. I have some more fun Vlogmas unboxing that I'm bringing you today. So you know how much of a Gymshark lover I am, and today I have more Gymshark here for you. This is my order from just the recent release of the Flawless and the Fleur Texture items. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to it, simply subscribe. That way you always see everything that I'm bringing to you, especially throughout this holiday season, because I got a lot of fun finds as far as like stocking stuffers and gift idea goes, especially like for her. If you're still looking, like, go back and check them out because I got some pretty good ideas there for you. Other than that, let's get right into this. Oh my goodness, and these Fleur Texture leggings, I mean, they are just beautiful close up. To be quite honest, the floral print of it is so small that you cannot tell that that's what this pattern is, which is really nice because it's super subtle. On the ankle, it's like an asymmetrical hem, so it's a little bit higher on the outside, and then it goes a little bit down low, like a little low-rise dip on the inside of your ankle. Of course, I had to buy the matching long sleeve crop, and I'm really excited to try this on. She seems like she has a pretty good amount of stretch. I'm not gonna lie, on my last haul, I just said that everything I get with long sleeves, I'm gonna up and go to a medium. Well, my dumbass forgot to do that when I was buying it this morning that it released, and I just clicked small because I'm so used to it. So this is a small, but we will see. It actually seems like it might fit just because it seems a little more stretchy, or like the material or something. We'll give it a try-sies-onsies. Oh my goodness, and this pale pink lavender color, holy beautiful. Like, this is the perfect color. I wasn't necessarily a huge fan of all of these, like the little holing detail. I thought it was almost like too much, but I wanted to try them out because I was like, maybe it's better on, like, we'll just see for myself. Alright friends, and here is the Flawless leggings on, and I'm not gonna lie, they were so soft and so stretchy pulling on. Like, even with all of this whole detailing, like, it really actually surprised me. They're kind of like a mix between, I want to say, the Energy Seamless in my opinion, and almost like they're almost as stretchy as the Flex, but they're more compression like the Energy Seamless and like the Ombre. I think this lilac-y purple, what color is it even? This color is the Washed Lavender, and I think it's oh so pretty. I like that it's like, it's still high rise, like a high waist, but it's like a skinnier little waistband, so it's not like super chunky. They have detailing like every little bit of the pants. Like, there's like moto stripes right there, and then you have the whole detailing already on the bum, contouring down across the quads, like all of it, down through the calf. Like, they're just really pretty. Now, downfall. These are very light. These are see-through. And here is the Dusky Marl Pink Fleur Texture set. So, that was a lot to say, by the way. So, I'm not gonna lie, this has a thinner waistband as well. Like, it's a little bit shorter than like the past ones, and I like it, but I don't really like the elastic band around the top. The stitching, it's like, it's nice because it'll like make it hold in and stay up, but at the same time I feel like it does like a little bit of a cutting in thing. The stitching, like, it has that V thread that leads right there to a point, and it just like, I feel like it shapes your booty really nicely. I love the asymmetrical hem at the ankle. Like, I think that is just darling. I really do. I think that's just like one little added like element where it gives it a little extra like cuteness. I'm not gonna lie, they're a little hard to pull on. They're not quite that stretchy, so I got them in a small, like pretty much all of my leggings. And they're probably most similar, in my opinion, to the Dreamy leggings. I feel like my Dreamy leggings, it's just like a thicker fabric, so they're tougher to pull on. With that being said, I feel like my Dreamy have more of a stretch than these do. As far as squatting goes, I think these are actually squat proof. I'm not gonna lie, like if I look super hard, I might see a slight bit of shadowing right there, but also I think it's because they're just not as stretchy feeling. So the top is actually something that I was worried about the sizing because I thought it wasn't gonna fit, I thought it was gonna be too tight. It fits wonderfully, to be quite honest. It has the thumb holes, and honestly, this is the first long sleeve crop that I've found where with the thumb holes being used, it doesn't hurt like the crease there, like where it feels like the arm's too short and it's pulling up on it. These actually are like super long arms. It's great. I love this little keyhole detail. I think that's really, really cute. I really, really like the top. I definitely am going to keep that. It's just a debate between the leggings and then the Flawless leggings I really love, but they're sheer, like full-on sheer. So guys, that wraps it up with this unboxing of my new GYMSHARK finds. Got smalls in every piece. I think both of these new launches are really, really beautiful. I'm actually really taken with the Flawless because, like I mentioned, I didn't think I was really gonna like it with all that holing detailing, but it's actually really, really pretty and it flatters your leg really nicely. It's just that light lavender color is sheer AF. So maybe if they can conquer that, like you know how in the ombre, in the light, the gray and the pink, oh wait, the sports bra that I'm wearing, like you know how they put those white panties, like a liner in there? If they would have done that with these, I think it maybe would have been a lot better. It's like, I know a lot of people hated that and cut it out, but I actually kept mine in just because it's like, I'd rather have that be seen than like my full-on, you know, booty cheeks and crack. So anyways, that's just my personal preference. If you liked this video though, please give it a thumbs up. I'll have these items linked below. I also will have my measurements below. If you have any questions or comments, I would love to hear them. Just leave those down below for me as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell. That way you always are notified every time I upload a video, which until Christmas is every day, because I'm bringing you lots of fun Vlogmas, like little gift finds here and there throughout like either my unboxings or things that I love. So make sure to subscribe, that way you stay in tuned with your girl. And you can follow me on Instagram too. Don't forget, it's Lace Love and Laura. You'll see my daily style, fitness, beauty inspo there too. So until tomorrow, I will see you then. Bye.